How start good. Hello everyone. Welcome to our question and answer session. Since we know that prelims is your upcoming, so your analytical and along with the factual part is inevitable to discuss. So in the last class we proceed with our previous year question analysis and where we have finished 2019 and 18. So last class we have that there is more your analysis about the questions paper and hope it would have an guiding lines for you all of you. Let's continue with the next one. That is from the 2017. We'll start from next yeah 18 and 19 we have completed. 1918, then we'll continue with your 2017 now. First question is that 2017, which of the following rock types the quartzite is related to? Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, and none of the above. Igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, and none of the above. Quartzite. So quartzite is related to your metamorphic rock forms. Related to your metamorphic rock forms. Then, which of the following towns India is located on Tropic of Cancer? Bhuj, Bhopal, Gandhinagar, and Banswara. Bhuj, Bhopal, Gandhinagar, and Banswara. Located on the Tropic of Cancer. Bhuj, Bhopal, Gandhinagar, and your Banswara. So these are all close. If you see, these are very closely located towns, particularly. Okay, very closely located towns of India, particularly. Okay, if you see, then Bhuj, Bhopal, and Gandhinagar and Banswara. Then your answer is your particularly. If you see, this is your Bhopal. See the answer now. See, this type of questions have already asked particularly. The Tropic of Cancer, also known as Kark Rekha, passes through 14 districts of your Madhya Pradesh, particularly. These districts are your Ratlam, Ujjain, Sahajpur, Rajgarh, Sehor, Bhopal, Vidisha, Raisin, Sagar, Damoh, Katni, Jabalpur, Umaria, and Sahadol. These are the 14 districts. Madhya Pradesh 14 districts जो कि तमरो Tropic of Cancer passes through. Yeah. Madhya Pradesh 14 districts here. This one. Madhya Pradesh 14 districts जो कि तमरो pass kurchi Tropic of Cancer, particularly. If we see this one, this is the range. Okay. The Tropic of Cancer or the Northern Tropic is one of the 5 major cities of altitude that marks of the Earth. It is parallel to the lies currently. Just 1 second. This is overlapping here. It is parallel to the latitude that lies currently 23 degrees to 26 degree north of the equator, particularly 26 to 23 to 26 degree, 22 north of the equator. The Tropic of Cancer. next देखिए on the basis of sorry था पूर्व question I am sorry metamorphic rocks देखिए metamorphic rocks are formed है ना it's an formed from both the sedimentary igneous rock directly from other rocks that are changed because of heat and pressure है ना because of heat and pressure है ना they are not formed from the molten rocks that do melt from igneous rocks instead है ना rock that do melt from igneous rock. Earth movements can cause rocks to be deeply buried or squeezed है ना deeply buried or squeezed. As a result the rocks are heated and put under the great pressure. As a result the rocks are heated and put under great pressure. Common metamorphic rocks are include phyllite, schist, gneiss, quartzite and marble है ना कौन करें that is your one is your phyllite, schist, gneiss, quartzite and your marble ठीक है क्ले रु phyllite हम schist भी clay है gneiss है granite रु quartzite है sandstone marble है limestone है metamorphic rocks रे जदि तुम देखियो है both the sedimentary and igneous rocks both the sedimentary and igneous rocks are undergone and have undergone metamorphic forms both the sandstone and your metamorphic sandstone and igneous sorry next question देखिए बेले बेले देखो ये जो डिस्कशन हम करछन यार भीतर बेले क्वेश्चन पचार दो एथरा पचाला इथरे तमरा क्वार्जाइट हैला सपोज पचार दो तमरा ग्नेइस हैला जोटा हम जानले ग्नेइस हैला ग्रेनाइट रु मार्बल हैला लाइमस्टोन रु हैला फिलाइट और सिस्ट हैला दिटांग क्ले रु हैला सॉरी फिलाइट हैला क्ले रु सिस्ट हैला सेल रु हैला सेल माने खोळपा जोटा नेक्स्ट देखिए ऑन द basis of area, which of the following is the correct descending order of Indian Union territories? Correct descending order of Indian Union territory. Correct descending order. In terms of the Indian territory on the basis of area on the basis of area particularly area Delhi, Pondicherry, Andaman Nicobar, then Pondicherry, Andaman Nicobar and Delhi, Andaman Nicobar, Delhi and Pondicherry descending order जदि देखिए प्रथमे descending order रे जदि देखिए आंक भितर तीनटा भितर सब बड़ होला अंडमान एंड निकोबार है सो फर्स्ट आम ये कैंसल करिवे को दीटा को ए दीटा भीतर आंसर हम जदि देखिए अंडमान निकोबार पौंडीचेरी आउ न्यू दिल्ली है अंडमान निकोबार पौंडीचेरी आउ न्यू दिल्ली भीतर यदि देखिए देन दिस इज जदि देखिए अंडमान निकोबार नंबर 1 है देन your Delhi is your second, third is your Pondicherry. So answer is your देखियो it is C. C है तुम्हारा आंसर particularly. ऐसे बहुत इंपोर्टेंट बर्तमान जदि रिसेंटली हमें डिस्कस करबा एटा हला दिस इज वेरी इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जोटा आछे नेक्स्ट व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग माउंटेन्स इज द ओल्डेस्ट दिनारी आल्प्स अरावली तिएन सान एंड सतपुरा हला दिनारी आल्प्स अरावली तिएन सान एंड सतपुरा दिनारी काप्स अरावली तिएन सान एंड सतपुरा जदि आ भीतर देखियो माउंटेन्स इज द ओल्डेस्ट है ना आंक भीतर जदि ओल्डेस्ट देखियो इट इज योर अरावली बी फॉर बॉम्बे Andaman Nicobar, Delhi, Pondicherry, a Union Territory is a type of administrative division in the Republic of India. This is your explanation. Unlike the states of India, which have their own governments, Union Territories are federal territories governed. They governed by themselves, and in a part or whole by the Union Government of India. By the part or whole by the Union Government of India. In the total number of states in the country will now be 28 with the effect from 26th January 2020. 26th January 2020. Particularly, India has 8 union territories. 26th January, India has 8 union territories. The union territories of Daman, Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli have become the single union territory since 26th January. Since 26th January, so single union territory through the bill passed by the parliament in winter sessions particularly. अच्छा 8 union territory जोटे हम जान ले दामन दीव दादरा नगर हवेली they have merged है ना 26 जनवरी 2020 रे एरिया वाइज जदि वर्तमान देखिबा नंबर 1 हला तमरा जदि मैं एरिया वाइज करबी टॉप रे है ना नंबर 1 वर्तमान हला तमरा लद्दाख देन J&K देन अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड मु रैंक लिखुची 1 2 3 4th रे तमरा आसीबो दैट इज योर NCT और द नेशनल कैपिटल टेरिटरी और न्यू दिल्ली है ना और न्यू दिल्ली ठीक अच्छे सब स्मॉलेस्ट तुम हला जदि देखिबो स्मॉलेस्ट हला तुम लक्षद्वीप ठीक अच्छे स्मॉलेस्ट जदि देखिबो ताले तुम एटा लक्षद्वीप जीव अच्छा नेक्स्ट देखिबा अरावली रेंज विषय यदि कहबी अरावली रेंज इज ए माउंटेन रेंज इन नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न इंडिया नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न इंडिया रे अरावली रेंज इज एन माउंटेन रेंज ठीक है अरावली रेंज इज एन माउंटेन रेंज हियर अरावली ठीक है Northwest India, running approximately 670 km in the southwest direction, starting near Delhi, passing through the southern Haryana and Rajasthan, ending in the Gujarat. है ना? Ending in the Gujarat. The highest peak of Guru Shikhar, है ना, is Aravalli is 1722 meter. The Aravalli range is considered the oldest fold mountain, having its origin, just a minute, origin in the Precambrian or Proterozoic era. है ना, এটা कहते Precambrian time और Proterozoic era, जोटा कि near about Aravalli रा जति age देखियो age of Aravalli. This is 3,500 million years ago. Aravalli, है 3,500 million years ago. Aravalli is 3,500 million years ago. ठीक है 3,500 million years ago. Next question. Just see the Aravalli here. Aravalli is here. जोटा कि गुजरात रू नहीं टिल एपड़ू आसी Aravalli is tracking गुजरात रू नेल है टिल हरियाणा पन देखु जस्ट भल भाव देख साधारण जदि मुझे देखिए Aravalli स्प्रेड देखी है साउथ रू नॉर्थ को इट इज गुजरात देन योर राजस्थान है देन योर हरियाणा है ठीक अच्छे हरियाणा देन जदि देखियो तापरे उत्तर प्रदेश एंड आल्सो उत्तर प्रदेश तापरे है यूपी जीवो तापरे देन हरियाणा है ना आल्सो देन योर एनसीटी न्यू दिल्ली. This is the correct chronological order. बर्तमान नहीं इट इज जस्ट एन रेमनेंट है दिल्ली अल्प अल्प देखा. नेक्स्ट which of the following pairs of Indian forest is not correctly matched? Indian forest is not correctly matched. Monsoon forest tick monsoon forest tick, mangrove forest sundari, evergreen forest rosewood, savanna forest people. Monsoon tick, mangrove sundari is correct. Monsoon tick is correct. Savanna people correct. Evergreen forest rosewood है evergreen forest mangrove forest रे sundari is also correct. Monsoon रे tick is correct. Savanna forest रे people evergreen forest tropical evergreen जदि देखिबा ताले rosewood tropical evergreen it is answer देखियो it is your savanna forest people है savanna forest people. We'll discuss this one. On which of the following Indian rivers Mettur Dam project has constructed? है Mettur Dam project है कहाँ पर constructed है? कावेरी, कृष्णा, यमुना, नर्मदा है ना. नर्मदा यमुना तो केबे नो कृष्णा और कावेरी भितर इट इज कावेरी है ना. कृष्णा और कावेरी भितर इट इज कावेरी. Savanna people बेटा है. People tree is grown throughout the India as a plant deciduous in nature. It is deciduous in nature. People tree lives. देखियो savanna it is correct. People tree is grown throughout the India as a plant deciduous in nature. It is deciduous in nature. Deciduous means the particular plant species they shed their leaves in a season, particular season. People tree. People tree leaves contain glucose, your asteroid, and mannose and phenolic. Mannose and phenolic, while its bark is rich in vitamin K. Vitamin K, theanine, and phytotestosterone. All of these ingredients make the people tree an exceptional medicinal tree. है जेहेतु ये सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स गुड़ा पीपल ट्री को एक्सेप्शनल ingredient बनौचे as a medicinal part. Vitamin K, then tannin, then phytosteroline, है ना, vitamin K, phytosteroline, tannin, है ना. These are all the जो people tree को तुम्हारा exceptional medicinal कहा जाए. Right. People माने अस्वस्थ गच्छ एउटा मोडियर कौन. Next question is here. The Mettur Dam is one of the largest dam in India and also the largest in Tamil Nadu, located across the river Kaveri, where it enters the plains. But in 1934, it took 9 years to complete. It took 9 years to complete, particularly. It took 9 years to complete. Maximum height and width of the dam is 214 and 171 feet respectively. Maximum height and the width of the dam. The dam, just one second again, the same problem is. The maximum height, the dam receives inflows from its own catchment area. Own catchment area, that is your Kabani Dam and Krishnara Sagar Dam, located in Karnataka. Kabani and Krishnara Sagar Dam. Kabani Dam and Krishnara Sagar Dam located in Karnataka. Kabani and Krishnara Sagar Dam. The ideal temperature of ocean water for the growth of corals, is ideal temperature of ocean water for growth of corals is for the growth of corals is ideal temperature for the growth of corals, it is your 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. C. This one. We'll discuss next. The tropical cyclones are not found in between 10 degree north latitude to 10 degree south latitudes, particularly due to high temperature, low salinity, great depth of water, minimum Coriolis effect. High temperature, low salinity, great depth of water, minimum Coriolis force. Answer is your D for Delhi. Minimum Coriolis force. Coral can grow well. Reef building corals cannot tolerate 25 to 30 degrees centigrade corals well body. Reef building corals cannot tolerate water temperature below 64 degree Fahrenheit. Below 64 degree Fahrenheit. 64 degree Fahrenheit. Many grow optimally in water temperature. Many grow optimally in water temperature between 73 degree to 84 degree Fahrenheit. But someone can tolerate temperature as high as 104 degree Fahrenheit for short periods, particularly. For short periods. Most reef building corals also require very saline, salty water ranging from 32 to 42 parts per thousand. 32 to 42 parts per thousand. Most of the reef building corals also require saline, salty water. Optimally grow under water temperature Fahrenheit minimum Coriolis effect. Coriolis effect जदि हम देखिए, just one second, everywhere the same problem. Coriolis effect जोटा हम कहे, Coriolis effect which is produced by the your turning of your earth है Coriolis effect जोटा तमर रोचे, that is Coriolis effect is produced on the turning of your earth जो rotate करुचे है Coriolis effect ताजो रोचे है Coriolis effect is produced because of turning of your earth जदि देखियो earth rotates towards the east and this rotation causes fluid है earth rotates towards east and this rotation causes fluids such as air and currents to be deflected to the right, air and currents to be deflected towards the right in northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. Cyclones can form in areas of low pressure. Northern hemisphere from over and it is in the southern hemisphere. The Coriolis force is strongest near the poles. Poles north pole, poles, and here it is south pole. So Coriolis force is strongest near the pole and absent at the equator. Equator pakar absent and strongest are near the pole. Near the poles and absent at the equator. Coriolis force जो हमारा साउथ वेस्ट मानसून है जनरेट हो साउथ वेस्ट डायरेक्शन रे Coriolis force जो जदि हम देखिबा it is because of the Coriolis force है the Indian monsoon after crossing equator है particularly they turn rightward and in the co direction south west से जो एटा को होची south west monsoon ठीक अछि एटा बनता Coriolis force is strongest near the poles है इक्वेटर पाखरे कम थाए कहीं इक्वेटर बहुत फ्लैट बल्ज पेटुआ इक्वेटर then which of the following is famous for the cotton textile industry? Famous for the cotton textile industry: Lancashire, Newcastle, Sheffield and Durham. Lancashire, Newcastle, Sheffield and Durham. अभी तो किए famous for the cotton textile industries: Lancashire, Newcastle, Sheffield and Durham. जैसे हम देखिए famous cotton textile industry एटा हला Lancashire A. Next, which of the following we'll discuss? Which of the following metals Jawar mines in Udaipur is famous for है metals the Jawar mines Udaipur जो Jawar mines is famous for किए iron ore, mica, zinc and manganese है Jawar mines Udaipur देखिए है it is your zinc है C for zinc. Jawar mines is famous for your zinc. Jawar is a settlement जो कि देखिए it is located in the Udaipur district of Rajasthan, India. Udaipur district, Rajasthan पे Jawar is located approximately 40 km from the lake city Udaipur. Approximately 40 km from the lake city Udaipur. Jawar is a city located in the Udaipur. It is close to the Devar Lake, India's second largest artificial lake. Devar Lake is the second largest artificial lake after Gobind Vallabh Pansagar Dam. Right? It is one of the oldest zinc mines of the world. ठीक है your जब हम देखिए Jawar है ना, it is one of the oldest mines of the world. World है oldest mines particularly. अच्छा, it is declared as the National Geographic Monument. है ना, older National Geographic Monument रे इटा कोई ची देवल लेक जो अच्छी इंडिया रा second largest artificial lake. महाराणा प्रताप महाराणा जो मान सिंह है ना, मान सिंह से खोई देवल लेक टा. ठीक है, आफ्टर गोविंद वल्लभ पंत सागर डैम जोटा अच्छे हमरो दादा कोटी मध्य प्रदेश और उत्तर प्रदेश पर गोविंद वल्लभ पंत सागर. सेटा हम देखियो जदी next Jawar is township created by the mining of Hindustan Zinc Limited. है ना, Hindustan Zinc Limited for extraction of zinc and lead. For extraction of zinc and lead. Next, देखिए Lancashire is a non-metropolitan country and a ceremonial country in the northwest England. है ना, northwest England is a non-metropolitan country and a ceremonial country in northwest England. Since the period of industrial evolution, it is famous for your cotton textile industries. It is famous for your cotton textile industries, your industrial revolutions for too. It is famous cotton textile industries. Lancashire is very oldest one. The industrial evolution, it is one of the place where the industrial evolution was started basically. Next, which of the following Indian states has the greatest producer of wind energy? Greatest producer of wind energy: Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Rajasthan. Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Rajasthan. Okay, greatest producer of wind energy. देखो wind energy देखिए सब number 1 हाँ ताले तमरा it is Tamil Nadu ना. Which of the following discuss करिएगा? Which of the following iron and steel plants does not function under the Steel Authority of India Limited? है ना, SEL. Iron steel plant does not function under SEL. Durgapur steel plant, no. Raukla steel plant, no. Vilai, no. Does not money Jamshedpur. Jamshedpur is in private, Tata Steel. Tata Steel. So answer is your D. Question सबले मन रखियो एबडा क्वेश्चन रे does not लिखिछि. सेल रो माने कि नुह सेल. दुर्गापुर स्टील प्लांट गोटे अच्छी सेल रो. राउरकेला स्टील प्लांट हमर ओडिसा रे भिलाई है ना, छत्तीसगढ़ रे. दुर्गापुर ले तमर वेस्ट बंगाल रे. तमिलनाडु जो देखो, तमिलनाडु is the largest producer of wind energy in India है ना. इंडिया जो the largest wind energy production किए ताले it is your तमिलनाडु. ठीक है, it is your तमिलनाडु wind energy. Jamshedpur or Tata Nagar is the largest and most populous city in Jharkhand and fast planned industrial city in India. Tata Nagar is the largest and most populous city in Jharkhand and fast planned industrial city in India. It was founded by the Jamshedji Tata, Jamshedji Tata by foundation, founder of Tata Groups in the 1900s. the founder of Tata Groups in 1900s and was named after him. It was established in 1919. 1919 मसीह ये प्रतिष्ठा ହେଇଥିଲା. ठीक है 1919. Jamsetji Tata 1919 established करथिले and he was inspired by Swami Vivekananda in 1902 and after he came from Chicago convention he advised Swami Vivekananda advised to Jamsetji Tata to open and steel plant which will be going for the welfare of the country, right? The next tribe, the Pygmy tribe is associated with Sahara, Congo Basin, East Africa and Kalahari. What देखिए the Pygmy tribe is associated with Sahara, Congo Basin, East Africa and Kalahari. The Pygmy tribe it is you are associated with your Congo Basin. Congo Basin. Then, which of the following countries has the highest anthracite coal reserves? Anthracite coal reserves of West Coast, Russia, US, China and UK. Anthracite coal reserves जब हम देखिए Russia, US, China and UK. जब देखिए it is Appalachians US रे anthracite then China. Russia रा UK तो होगा नहीं, Russia भी नहीं. US और China भीतर देखिए anthracite coal it is in China. It is in USA. Sorry, it is in US. Appalachians. Yeah, it was correct. है ना? जो आगुर कहते हैं USA is correct. अच्छा, the United States of America holds the world's biggest coal reserves. The United States of America is the top country by the reserves of your anthracite and bituminous coal in the world. Anthracite और bituminous coal जोटा भी अच्छी ता भितरे number 1 है तमरा USA. And as per a survey report 2020, the reserves of your anthracite and bituminous coal in the United States of America was near about 2,19,000 million ton. 2,19,000 million ton. Tons that accounts your 29.5% of the world's reserves of your anthracite and bituminous coal. Reserves of your anthracite and bituminous coal. The reserves of your anthracite and bituminous coal. Bituminous coal particularly. And they mostly stored in the US रा वो जगह स्टोर होची near about 20 world रा पाखापाखि 30% reserves anthracite bituminous US पाखर मन लगा कोठी maximum is your Appalachians mountain. है ना Appalachians रे particularly. Congo Basin जो देखिए African pygmy or Congo or Congo pygmies African rainforest hunter gatherers particularly or forest people Central Africa are a group of ethnicities natives to the Central Africa, mostly in the Congo Basin traditionally subsisting on a forger and hunter gatherer lifestyle. Forger and hunter gatherer lifestyle particularly. Forger and hunter gatherer basically. Central Africa mostly Congo basins particularly. अच्छा, top 5 countries देखिए, the top 5 countries others are कि other माने anthracite coal reserves अच्छी. Others are China, India, Australia, and Russian Federation. Account for 81.57 of it. The world's total reserves of anthracite bituminous coal was estimated a year 7,42,020 million tons. Coal reserves in US are widely distributed geographically with Montana, Wyoming, Illinois, West Virginia, Kentucky, and Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania, it likely hosting the more than 3/4 of total reserves. Pennsylvania is a state है, इतने सबूत बेसी तुम्हारा coal reserves अच्छी US रा, ठीक है जी. इंडिया जब बिटुमिनस कोल देखियो, इंडिया रे एंथ्रासाइट कम अच्छी, बिटुमिनस कोल टा बेसी वेराइटी अच्छी. हेला बिटुमिनस वेराइटी टा इंडिया रे बेसी अच्छी. It will it will be more clear. The bituminous variety is bituminous variety of coal is mostly found in India. Next देखो 37. It is thought that dozens of ships and planes have disappeared under mysterious circumstances in the area. The dozens of ships and planes particularly dozens of ships and planes have disappeared under the mysterious circumstances in this area. To most people it is an area of bad luck particularly, and bad luck and extraterrestrial activity. This area is known as Bermuda Triangle, Cuba, Puerto Rico, and Gulf of Mexico. Dozens of ships and planes have disappeared under mysterious circumstances in the area. To most of the people, the area is your bad luck and extraterrestrial activity. The answer is your Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle, जोटा कि Atlantic Ocean placed अच्छे. Okay. Next. Dark colored soil with higher water holding capacity is considered highly productive as it contains dark colored soil with higher water holding capacity. High water holding capacity. Considered highly productive as it contains high clay content, sand and calcium, clay, humus, silt, and earthworm. Soil with high water holding capacity. Water holding capacity is high. Is highly productive. Dark colored soil. And considered highly productive as it contains high clay content, sand and clay and humus, जोटा कि ब्लैक सॉइल को and silted earthworms. It is no. This is sand and calcium, high clay content. It is A, high clay content particularly. Sorry, it is clay and humus. I'm sorry. Clay, the tiny particles, humus and clay, are very important for holding plant nutrients in the soil. Clay and humus particles have a negative surface charge particularly. These are having the negative surface charge. In humus, different nutrients are bound together. Humus different nutrients are bound together with clay minerals through absorption processes. This association of organic fragments such as humic substances with inorganic particles such as clay minerals is usually called clay-humus complex. Is usually called clay-humus complex. Called as your clay-humus complex. Nutrients are bound together with clay minerals through absorption processes particularly. Bermuda triangle ऊपर देखिए Bermuda triangle you can see here है ना ऊपर टा देखिए भी Bermuda triangle जो देखिए it is also known as the devil's triangle है ना वहाँ जाए devil's triangle is a loosely defined region है ना in the western part of North Atlantic Ocean where a number of aircraft and ships are said to have disappeared under the mysterious circumstances. Under the mysterious circumstances, most of the aircrafts and ships they have disappeared particularly disappear under mysterious circumstances. Most reputable sources dismiss the idea that in any mystery. This is Bermuda Triangle. Bermuda Triangle. It is in the Northern Atlantic, North Atlantic Ocean. This is your Tropic of Cancer, Tole. Tropic of Cancer, this one, Tropic of Cancer. Next question is 2017 2016 question देखिए वर्तमान 2016 question ने देखिए 17 is overall 2016 ने पचास पड़ी El Nino phenomena is associated with कहाँ से करें cloud bursting earthquake, global warming and acid rain. है ना? El Nino phenomena is associated with cloud bursting, earthquake, global warming and acid rain. El Nino phenomena is associated with your global warming. है ना? Global warming. See, the valley of Kashmir lies in between Pir Panjal and Karakoram range, Pir Panjal and Jhaskar range, Jhaskar and Ladakh range, Siwalik and Ladakh range particularly. है ना? Pir Panjal, Karakoram, Pir Panjal and Jhaskar, Jhaskar and Ladakh, then Siwalik and Ladakh. है ना? Valley of Kashmir particularly. Just one second. This is valley of Valley of Kashmir जदि हम देखिबा शिवालिक लद्दाख तो केबे नो झास्कार नो इट इज योर है ना झास्कार लद्दाख भी नो कि काराकोरम लद्दाख कैलाश then Karakoram Ladakh Pir Panjal Ladakh, then it is Pir Panjal Karakoram to know, then it is Pir Panjal and then it is Jhaskar. It is answer is your Pir Panjal and Jhaskar. ठीक है जी, Pir Panjal and Jhaskar it is. El Nino phenomena is कही देखिए. Over the time, the term has resolved and now referred to as warm and negative phase of the El Nino southern oscillations. Negative phase of your El Nino southern oscillations particularly. And it is the warming of the basically found way. It is the warming of the ocean. Now refer to the warm and negative phase of the El Nino southern oscillations, and is the warming of the ocean surface or above the average sea surface temperature in the central and eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. This warming causes a shift in the atmospheric circulations with rainfall becoming reduced over Indonesia, India and Australia, while the rainfall and tropical cyclone formation increases over the tropical Pacific Oceans. Over the tropical Pacific Oceans particularly. अच्छा, correct answer देखिए Pir Panjal and Jhaskar. And the Kashmir Valley lies between the Jhaskar Himalayas and Pir Panjal particularly. Jhaskars and Pir Panjals particularly. Jhaskar and Pir Panjal particularly lie kariyo. And Kashmir Valley lies between the Jhaskar Himalayas and Pir Panjal range. The Valley of Kashmir stretches over an area 15,853 square kilometer. 15,853 square kilometer, giving the appearance of an old lacustrine bed which measures 135 kilometer length, and your 14 kilometer its widest point particularly. 14 kilometer its widest point. ठीक है, lacustrine deposits. Lacustrine bed mean lacustrine bed. Lacustrine bed माने जो देखो the deposition of, ठीक है, which it is the deposition of your nacrystalline bed जो देखो, it is the deposition of your clay, है ना, sediments, clay sediments, gravel, है ना, that are brought by the glaciers. These are highly fertile, and that is why it is famous for your saffron cultivations. Global warming विषय देखिए, over the time the term has evolved as now refers to the warm and negative phase of El Nino, the term and negative phase of El Nino southern oscillations. Southern oscillation, and it is the warming of the ocean surface, warming of the ocean surface or above average sea surface temperature, warming of the ocean surface and above the average sea surface temperature in the central and the eastern tropical Pacific Ocean. The warming causes a shift in the atmospheric circulation. Warming causes a shift in the atmospheric circulations, with rainfall becoming reduced over Indonesia, India and Australia. Reduced over Indonesia, India and Australia, while rainfall and tropical cyclones formation increases over the tropical Pacific areas. This warming causes a shift in the atmospheric circulations, with rainfall becoming the reduced over Indonesia, India and Australia, and while the rainfall and the tropical cyclone formation increase over the tropical Pacific Oceans, over the tropical Pacific Ocean. Then which one of the following countries is the major producer of mica? Major producer of mica: India, US, Brazil and China. India, US, Brazil and China. Major producer of your mica. Major producer of your mica, India, है ना, mica देखो, it is number 1 mica production में, it is your none other than India. India is major mica producer. Next question देखिए, which of the following was the earliest regional planning exercise in India? यदि इंडिया देखिए earliest regional planning किए exercise in India, it is earliest regional planning exercise in India. National Capital Region Plan, that is Delhi. Dandakaranya Area Plan. Then your Damodar Valley Project. Then Bhakranangal Project. Earliest execution किए इतना particularly, earliest your regional planning exercise in India. It is your Damodar Valley, DVC जोड़ा कहा जाए, Damodar Valley Corporation. Damodar Valley Corporation कहा जाए DVC, है ना, Damodar Valley Corporations particularly. DVC project जोड़ा कि तमरा वर्तमान it is existed in your West Bengal particularly, है ना, DVC existed in your West Bengal. अच्छा वर्तमान देखिए mica India में पढ़ते mica production India has a nearly monopoly in the production of mica. है mica production India normally monopoly करे world रे about producing about 60% of the world's total production. World total जितने production होची ता भितर mica production ता भितर India है monopoly. About 95% of the India's mica is found just 3 states, that is in the Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Andhra Pradesh, Jharkhand and Rajasthan mainly. 3 states dominate currently. Mica is mainly used in your electrical and electronic industries. Electrical electronic industry, the mica are main dominance. It is a non-metallic mineral and can be split into thin sheets which are tough and flexible. Which are tough and flexible. In 2021, China is the largest producer of mica. 2021 रे China थला largest producers, but है ठीक अछि है major producer. ये क्वेश्चन कौन दिला? Following is the major producer of mica. Major producer of mica रे overall India है हमारा डिपॉजिट्स mica डिपॉजिट बहुत अच्छी इंडिया. Total production जब देखिए producing about 60% of the world's total production. DVC ऊपर देखिए दामोदर वैली कॉर्पोरेशंस particularly दामोदर वैली कॉर्पोरेशन जो देखिए दामोदर वैली कॉर्पोरेशन was executed on the river Damodar, which has been a basin area of near about 58,500 square kilometer. 58,480 square kilometer. Damodar Valley Corporation, particularly was formed in 1948. 1948 मसीह दामोदर डीवीसी कॉर्पोरेशन प्रथम स्टार्ट होता है दामोदर ठीक आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस 1948 है आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस एटा स्टार्ट होता है. The sectoral planning means your formulation and implementation of the sets of scheme or programs. Sets of schemes or programs aimed at development of various sectors of economy such as agriculture, irrigation, manufacturing, power, construction, transport and communication. Agriculture, irrigation, manufacturing, power, construction, transport and communications. Damodar Valley. I would comment on this once. And social infrastructure and services. Social infrastructure and services particularly. The habitat of Toda tribe, particularly, the habitat of Toda tribe is it is your Aravalli range, Shivalik range, Kaimur range and Nilgiri hills. Habitat of Toda tribe. Aravalli, Shivalik, Kaimur and Nilgiri. Toda tribe जो देखियो, it is their habitat is your Nilgiri hills particularly. D for Delhi. The Durand line is the boundary line between boundary between India, Pakistan, India, Iran, Pakistan, Pakistan, Afghanistan and Pakistan, China. Durand line जब देखियो तबे it is the main line between your in Afghanistan और Pakistan. C है ना? C is the answer. Durand line है ना? बर्तन देखियो Durand line जोटा कि which is the तार जो देखियो it is near about 2640 kilometer border between your Afghanistan and Pakistan है ना Afghanistan और Pakistan रो border line जो देखियो it is near about your 2640 kilometer ठीक है in between the Afghanistan and Pakistan. It is the result of an agreement between Sir Mortimer Durand and Secretary of the British Indian Government है ना and Abdur Rahman Khan, the Emir and ruler of Afghanistan particularly है ना Emir and ruler of your Afghanistan. बर्तमान जदि डुरांड लाइन देखियो इंडिया आल्सो शेयर ओनली तुम देखियो इट इज ओनली 195 किलोमीटर कारण आगु तो पाकिस्तान नथला डिवीजन पर पाकिस्तान क्रिएट हला तो इंडिया रो शेयर पाकिस्तान माने इंडिया और अफगानिस्तान थिला आगु जो देखियो हला इट इज इंडिया एंड अफगानिस्तान पर्टिकुलरली अफगान फ्रंटियर गांधी कहते ना खान अब्दुल गफर खान तो पाकिस्तान क्रिएट हला ठीक है पाकिस्तान रो मेजॉरिटी प्लेस है ना माने आई मीन जो क्रिएटेड एला डुरांड लाइन ना पाकिस्तान भीतर पड़ेला दिस इज पाकिस्तान एत्ती की परसेंट जो रहिला टिल ठीक है अफगानिस्तान जो एमती आसी एत्ती की परसेंट जोड़ा कि इंडिया संगे वर्तमान भी लगी गछ दैट इज नियर अबाउट 195 किलोमीटर दिस इज द क्लियर पिक्चर आई एम शोइंग Secretary British government and Abdur Rahman Khan, I mean, ruler of Afghanistan. Just have a look here. This is your Durand line. The Durand line, it is this one is a Durand line, blue color line. इंडिया संगे इटा इंडिया रे टच अछि ठीक है दिस वन गजनी सिटी कांदाहार इंसिडेंट जो फ्लाइट हाईजैक हेतला नेपाल रो हेराट बड़ बड़ शहर सब गजनी कांदाहार हेराट नारंग मजारी शरीफ फैजाबाद दुसानबे ताजिकिस्तान these are things is completely landlocked Afghanistan, Iran, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan and India and Pakistan. Next देखिए which of the following places in India ranks second among the coldest inhabited place in India के भितर coldest किए द्रास ईटानगर Manali and Manna. India ranks second among the coldest inhabited place in the world. World is second rank India की या भितर इटा हबो द्रास हैला ईटानगर तो अरुणाचल प्रदेश रा कैपिटल मनाली शिमला और हिमाचल कुल्लू मनाली हिमाचल रे देन मन्ना उत्तराखंड रे तो इटी हबो द्रास द्रास इज इन हैला जे ए अच्छा नेक्स्ट द अथावास्का tar sand is famous for the deposit of copper iron ore petroleum and uranium अथावास्का कौन पे फेमस कॉपर है ना डिपॉजिट ऑफ कॉपर आयरन और पेट्रोलियम एंड यूरेनियम ना अथावास्का यदि देखियो इट इज फेमस फॉर योर यूरेनियम डिपॉजिट डी फॉर दिल्ली ठीक है जी यूरेनियम Dras देखिए Dras a tourist hub for its high altitude, particularly trekking routes and tourist sites. Excuse me. High altitude of trekking routes and tourist site is a hill stations in Kargil district of UT of Ladakh in India. It is NH1 between Jojila Pass and Kargil town. It is your Jojila Pass and Kargil town. It is often called the gateway to Ladakh. Ladakh को gateway है तुम्हारा Dras particularly. पेट्रोलियम दिखा तापरे Athabasca oil sands, also known as Athabasca tar sands, is a large deposits of bitumen, extremely heavy crude oil located in the northeastern Alberta and Canada. Canada is the leading source of United States, the world largest consumer of the oil. Largest Canada, largest consumer of the oil. The oil sand contains enough oil. Oil sands contain enough oil to produce 2.5 million barrels oil per day for 186 years. Canada is the largest producing, and oil sand is oil near about capable of producing 2.5 million barrels per day. Next question देखिए. Marquette Range in USA is known for Marquette Range in USA is known for uranium. Is known for uranium, copper, gold, and iron. ठीक है जी, uranium, copper, gold, and iron. Marquette Range in USA. ठीक है जी, Marquette Range in USA. USA जब हम देखिए, it is basically iron ore. It is known for your USA in iron ore, particularly. Sorry, uranium. Next देखिए, when was the first synchronous census in India population held? Synchronous. It is 1881. Sorry, 1872. Marquette Range এটা আমরা দেখিবা, that is your iron ore যেটা আমি কইলি প্রথমে, আর এটা হলো 1872 ହେଲା। তারপর 1860 1856 ରେ কন্ডক্ট ହେଇଥିଲା, but it was synchronous census ହେଇଥିଲା 1872 ମସିହାରେ ହେଲା, 1872 ମସିହାରେ first time. Just one second. The Marquette Iron Range is a deposit of iron ore located in the Marquette country, in the Michigan in the US states. Michigan in the US states. The towns of Ispeming and Naguin developed as a result of mining this deposit. Marquette country. अच्छा, 1872 मसीह कौन होगा? Systematic and modern population census. Its present form was conducted in non-synchronously in 1865 and 1872 in different parts of the country, particular different parts of the country. The effort culminating in 1872 has been popularly labeled as the first population census of India. This is labeled as your first population census of India. However, the first synchronous census in India was held in 1881. ठीक है जी, is labeled first population census of India. However, the first synchronous census in 1881. What was conducted non-synchronously 1861. It was different parts of country reporting 97 popularly labeled as the first population census. It is synchronous census. So I was correct. It was 1881. Just beg your pardon. Just first synchronous census Indian 1881. So answer is your B. Just 1 second. It is your B. 1881. Just. अच्छा जदि ये नॉन सिंक्रोनसली हेतला कोटी 1965 रे since then the census has been undertaken uninterruptedly once in every 10 years. This time 2021 upon the one in 2023 England, it is because of your COVID, delayed of COVID. The first complete census of India was conducted in 1830. First complete census in 30 by Henry Walter in Dhaka. Dhaka हेतला सांगर थिला बांग्लादेश रो ढाका हला 1830 मसियार प्रथम हेतला. अच्छा ता पूर्व देखिबा जो यूएस रा मार्किंग क्यू रेंज जोटा आयरन डिपॉजिट इन कंट्री इन द मिशिगन मिशिगन स्टेट इन यूएस is located in the Michigan market country, market iron range. Next देखिए which period is referred to as the period of population explosion in India. Period of population explosion in India. 1901 ରୁ 1921, 1921 ରୁ 1951, 1951 ରୁ 1981, 1981 ରୁ 2011. Population explosion in India. Population explosion जदि देखिबा इंडिया जदि हेछि that is your 19 explosion जदि देखिबा population explosion period, it is your 1951 to 81. C मुदेबी है ना. Next, through which of the following states Indian Chambal River does not flow? Chambal River. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Chambal River flow karuni. Answer is your D. It is your D, Gujarat. Chambal River, it is देखिए ऊपर 1951-81 लो, it is देखिए अच्छा it देखो the प्रथम इटा देखिए तो the decades of 1951 to 81 are referred to as the period of population explosion, particularly है ना, period of population explosion in India, which was caused by the rapid fall in the mortality rate, rapid fall in the mortality rate, but a high fertility rate of population in the country, but a high fertility rate in the population in the country. Acha. The average annual growth rate was as high as 2.2%, as high as 2.2%. Average annual growth rate is as high as 2.2% particularly. Population explosion Gujarat the Chambal River is a tributary of the Yamuna River. The river flows through northeastern through Madhya Pradesh, running for a time through Rajasthan, then forming a boundary between your Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, before turning to southeast to join Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh particularly. Yamuna in Uttar Pradesh particularly. Just take a look at here. मध्य प्रदेश से बाहर ची राजस्थान देन उत्तर प्रदेश जाएंगे मिसिची एटी से जिनसे देची एटी है नॉर्थ ईस्ट मध्य प्रदेश रनिंग फॉर ए टाइम थ्रू द राजस्थान देन फॉर्मिंग एन बाउंड्री बिटवीन राजस्थान एंड मध्य प्रदेश पर्टिकुलरली. before turning southeast to the join Yamuna in the Uttar Pradesh. Chambal project एटी देखुछ. This is the Chambal project. Final Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. This is Rana Pratap Sagar Dam. This is Gandhi Sagar Dam. Ujjain, Devas, Bhopal, Ratlam. This is the power substations here. Ujjain. Then Jawahar Sagar is here. Then it is Ajmer, Jaipur, Sawai Madhopur here. Depsa. ठीक है. ग्वालियर हियर विंद तेरसा मोहका रिजर्वायर समझ देखुछ एटी दीटा जिनस आमर अछि चंबल ऊपर हैला. चंबल ऊपर दीटा मेजर गांधी सागर डैम जोटा कि तमे देखुछ. गांधी सागर डैम इज एन पर्टिकुलरली जदि देखिबो इन मध्य प्रदेश हैला. गांधी सागर डैम इज एन मध्य प्रदेश पर्टिकुलरली एमपी ऊपर ही योर गांधी सागर डैम मध्य प्रदेश है. आज राणा प्रताप सागर देखुच. राणा प्रताप सागर इज एन योर राजस्थान है. राजस्थान है तुम राणा प्रताप सागर और गांधी सागर है योर मध्य प्रदेश पर्टिकुलरली. जवाहर सागर एठी भी अच्छी कोटा बैरेज राजस्थान रे है. तो एटा फेमस जोटा कि चंबल ऊपर हम जानले. चंबल इज फेमस फॉर दैट वन. ठीक अछि. ए बडा भाबरे हम पढले विल देखिबा. तो हमें आज 19 और 17 सरला सॉरी 19 18 सरला. हमें आज सरले तमरो your 17 16 also we have completed. 17 16 also we have completed. 17 और 16. So आज पे इतनी तो एक क्वेश्चन ऊपर मैं भावुची विल गेट इट थ्रू. जमती जानले को कंट्री कहाँ संगे बॉर्डर करची है. तो यहाँ गोटे जानिया पे हमको बहुत ही क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली कौन हुए प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस रे हमको इट्स एन गाइडलाइन. इट्स एन पाथ. हमको देखो को जगह रे कोटा करने हमको बेस्ट रहेगा है ना. सो आई होप डिस्कशन विल बी फ्रूटफुल हमन को. ठीक अछि. एंड अगेन विल मीट है ना इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. सो थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.